Hello world, Becca here from Inside the Square, coming at you with another CSS tutorial. Today, I would like to show you how to add a button to your announcement bar. An announcement bar is a really cool feature available only for business and commerce plans, but it's something I actually use on my own website. I think it's pretty awesome. Great way to promote any opt-in that you have or freebie you'd like to offer to your site visitors, or a great way to let them know about some event coming up. Basically any announcement, if you will. All right, so before we even start editing this, we need to actually make sure it's enabled on our website. So to enable your announcement bar, we're going to go to marketing and then select announcement bar. So that's over here. We'll select marketing from the main menu and then announcement bar. Right now it's set as disabled. And again, you see this alert. This is a business and commerce plan exclusive here. But if you're on a business or commerce plan, this is where you'll find it. Just select enable and you'll be good to go. So what I have here is just a little bit of text. I just wrote, I have a cool thing to share with you. And then I have a link. This is a really important part of the tutorial. This link right here is what we're actually going to turn into a button. So I'll remove that really quick just to show you how to add it. We just click that button right there, and then you type whatever link you'd like to have, add the link, and you'll see it's now underlined, so that's an active link there. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and save this, and we'll hop on over into our CSS. We're going to go to Design, and then Custom CSS, and this is where we're going to paste this code. I'm gonna do a little bit of a code breakdown for you, so you'll understand what's happening, but right off the bat, if you just wanna copy and paste the code beneath this video, this is what it'll look like. Check it out. I've got a cool little button action happening here. This part of the code where it says 600 for the font weight, I decided to make the font just a little bit bolder. This padding gives us a little bit of wiggle room around the button, so it's not going to be at the very top or the very bottom. Kind of centers it in the announcement bar there. And let's see here. Oh yes, this is another important part. Text decoration, none. That removed the underline. So if I actually take that out of the code, you'll see that underline goes back. And I personally don't like that style. So I'm going to leave text decoration, none right there. So this is how you easily add the button. But as you can see, even though I'm hovering over it, I can't really tell that I'm hovering over it because I didn't add any hover effects. So that's what we're going to do next. This code is also beneath the video. It's the second section there. I'm going to go ahead and paste it right in here, and you can see it now says hover, and this is the hover effect that we're going to have. The background of the button will now be red, and the border is going to be red as well. So now we'll see if I put the mouse over it. Ta-da! It's pretty clear. I'm about to click here. That's the hover effect for this button. So again, the code is beneath this video. It takes whatever link denoted by this A in the code and turns it into a button with all of this magic here. If you'd like to change anything like the weight of the font or the color of the border, those are your options. In this line of code, here's the font weight, and this right here is how you'll end up changing the border. And then for a hover effect, that's underneath that as well. I've typed in the word red here, but you can use any hex code that you like, that 6-digit code or an RGBA code, whatever works for your own brand and your brand colors. Definitely feel free to update this to make it match your style. And when you're all done, select save and you'll be good to go. Alrighty, that's it for today's quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and have fun with your Squarespace website. Ready for more? Head on over to InsideTheSquare.co for more tutorials and exclusive content you won't find anywhere else. That's InsideTheSquare.co.